Yeah, what's up YouTube? I just thought I'd do this quick video. I've got a full review of this lens coming in a few days, but anybody looking for an absolute bargain of a lens, it's you want to go for one of these, made by Samyang, 24mm 2.8. Now I had this lens probably, it was about 18 months ago, and I dropped it basically. It came out of the bag. I can't remember what happened now, but it ended up in a lake and it was damaged. So anyway, I just thought I'd buy another one because I was missing it. And anyway, it came yesterday, and the ultra light, but you get really good quality. There we go. Just going to take that out of the frame for 1 minute. But this lens is one of those little gems you find and use, and you really like it. But yeah, there you go. Absolute diamond of a lens, super small, really sharp, and you get some amazing results. And it's great on full frame Sony lenses. I'm sure they do it for different camera makes, but I'm using Sony. So, but yeah, check it out. The link's in the description. It's just over £200 on Amazon, and it's an absolute gem of a lens. And full review coming soon. I'm going to put some pictures and video, or make a little compilation for you, and we'll get the full review out in a few days. Anyway, just a quick one. See you in the next one. Bye.